I got me 2 pounds of cheese. Now we're gonna be making an absolutely delicious baked mac and cheese. Now I got some extra sharp cheddar, and then I got some Monterey Jack. Now this Monterey Jack is gonna give it that oh so ooey gooey goodness. But we're gonna get this cheese grated up so we can go ahead and start working on this recipe. Hey, but check this out right here. Hey, this pot right here, you got some absolutely delicious green beans and potatoes. Hey, check that recipe out right there. Hey, you won't be disappointed. Now, hey, let's get this cheese shredded so we can get in the game. Now, if you want to take your recipe to the next level, hey, use some chicken broth. Hey, it's the time of year where you go all in, right? So I got me some chicken broth, and we gonna let these elbow pastas cook al dente. You don't want to overcook them. Hey, cook them to the box instructions. Don't overdo them because we got to put those in the oven. I'm gonna start off with 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter. Then I'm also gonna go in with 2 tablespoons of flour. And then we want to cook this flour for about a minute or so. Let that butter and flour do its thing. And I'm working over a medium heat, as you can see here. Now, after about a minute, I'm gonna go ahead and add in my half and half. I got a cup, and I'm gonna continue to whisk, and then I'm gonna come in with a cup of milk. And I'm gonna go ahead and add my seasonings. Now I'm going in with some Cajun seasoning. This is a tablespoon. Hey, and don't forget, hey, that's that baptizing Cajun right there. I'm gonna hit it with a little bit of pepper. Now my Cajun season does have pepper, but I just want to hit it with just a little bit more. Then I'm gonna come back with some garlic powder, about a teaspoon, and about a teaspoon of onion powder. Now I got me some smoked paprika. Now I smoked this over some cherry wood, and I'm gonna go in about a teaspoon of that. And then we're gonna get everything mixed in. And then at this time, fam, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and start adding some of my cheese in to this pot. And then you want to save about 2.5 cups to top your mac and cheese. And this is gonna make an absolutely delicious cheese sauce. And then we also want to get that baked top right. You know, you can't have mac and cheese without that crispy cheese on top, right? Yes, sir. Once everything gets melted and you got a nice little cheese sauce like that, fam, it's time to put this cheese sauce onto your macaroni pasta. So now we're gonna take this cheese sauce and we're gonna transfer it to those pasta noodles right there. And then we want to get everything incorporated. Hey, look at that right there. This is going to be absolutely delicious, fans. We want to take the rest of our cheese that we have. Like I said, we saved about 2.5 cups or so of our cheese. Now we just want to take that cheese and we just want to top this mac and cheese. And what we want to do is we want to bake this covered, and then like the last 10 or 15 minutes we're gonna take the cover off, and like I said, let that top get extra crispy, and we'll look at it probably like the last 5 minutes or so, and we might even hit it with a nice little broil. All right, fam, hey, 25 minutes is up, so we're gonna let this cook the rest of the way, about 10 to 15 minutes. Let that top get nice and crispy. But hey, look at that right there. Yes, sir. It's still got a little way to go. Like I said, you got to watch this top when you put it on broil. Hey, take a look at this. I'm gonna bring this out so you can see it a little bit closer. Hey, but this smells absolutely delicious, fam. Hey, check this out right here. Hey, that's what you want in the baked mac and cheese. Yes, sir. All right, fam, there you have it. You got your absolutely delicious baked mac and cheese. It ain't Thanksgiving without a nice, flavorful baked mac and cheese. And let me tell you this right now. Hey, this one right here got you in the game. You got that nice crispy crust. You see that cheese hanging off of it right there. Hey, you in the game, fam. Hey, I got to get me a taste test. That right there. That is simply amazing. I always love the crust of a baked mac and cheese, and that one comes right to the rescue. Nice comfort food for a nice holiday. You gotta have a nice mac and cheese on your table. It's the perfect one. Hey, you in the game. Yes, sir.